In this video, I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to do an example similar to your homework. We have here, first of all, that the graph that we have is the graph of f, and we want to draw graph g, but g is defined as f of 3x, as you see right here, okay? Well, what does this mean? Well, here, this is going to result in a horizontal dilation, not to be confused with a vertical dilation. That occurs when we multiply the f of x with 3. So that would look like this instead. So 3 times f of x. That is a vertical dilation, and this notation is a horizontal dilation. So it's going to affect the x values. But just like with addition, we're not going to actually do the operation that's indicated. So if I had f of x plus 3, I'm not adding 3 to the x's because this is going to result in a shift to the left side. So I'm actually subtracting 3 to the x's. So that, again, similar concept with this. So even though it says 3 times x, we're not going to multiply the x values to this graph, which are these numbers here. So this one right here is -3, -3. The coordinate for this one here is 3, -1. And the coordinate for this one is 6, -2. We're not going to multiply these numbers by 3 and make the thing, again, wider. We're going to do the opposite, and this is going to actually result in a horizontal shrink. So we're going to make it thinner. So instead of make it wider, we're going to make it thinner and get closer to the y-axis. So what we simply do is do the opposite operation here. So instead of x times 3, we're going to do x divided by 3. So with the y value staying the same, the way we create this horizontal shrink is, like I mentioned, is to divide these numbers by 3. So we do the opposite operation from there. So -3 divided by 3 is -1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So plot those points and look what happens. So you see this point here, instead of going all the way out from the y-axis to -3, is going to go only out from the y-axis 1 unit, a third of that value. And then you'll notice the same thing happen again occurring with the other values. So this point is moved inwards. This point is also moved inwards. Notice that the y value doesn't change. It stays at the exact same height. Okay, this point is going down 3. This one is still at the same height. This point is going down 1. This is still going down 1. This goes down 2. This one still goes down 2. But all of these points have been pushed inwards closer to the y-axis. So that's the key thing again with these horizontal transformations, things that are affecting the x value. The opposite operation is being performed. So we're not going to stretch this, we're going to shrink it as a result because the operation will divide by whatever the scalar is. Well, that's so there's your answer, there's your graph. Hopefully this hopefully this video was helpful, and I do appreciate you watching.